Can yoga really decrease stress and anxiety? Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of the yoga. Today, we have an intriguing question that, can yoga really decrease stress and anxiety? Well, get ready to be amazed because we have the answer for you. So, let's get started. In today's fast-paced and stressful world, finding effective ways to reduce stress and anxiety is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. One popular practice that has gained significant attention for its potential benefits in this area is yoga. But can yoga really decrease stress and anxiety? Let's explore this topic and understand the relationship between yoga and stress reduction. Yoga has become increasingly popular due to its holistic approach to physical and mental well-being. It combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation techniques to promote harmony and balance within the body and mind. As more people seek natural and accessible ways to reduce stress and anxiety, yoga has emerged as a promising practice worth exploring. Stress and anxiety are common experiences that can significantly impact our daily lives. Stress is the body's response to demands or pressures, while anxiety is a general term used to describe excessive worry or fear. Both can have negative effects on our physical health and mental well-being if not properly managed. One of the key benefits of yoga is its ability to induce physical relaxation and relieve tension in the body. Through various yoga poses, individuals can release muscle knots, improve flexibility, and alleviate pain. These physical benefits contribute to a sense of relaxation and well-being, ultimately reducing stress and anxiety. Yoga goes beyond physical postures and incorporates techniques such as meditation and mindfulness. By focusing on the present moment and cultivating awareness, individuals can calm their minds, boost concentration, and find inner peace. This mental relaxation helps reduce stress and anxiety by allowing individuals to let go of attachments to both positive and negative experiences. Scientific studies have provided support for the stress-relieving benefits of yoga. A study conducted in 2018 on women practicing hatha yoga 3 times a week for 4 weeks showed significant reductions in stress, depression, and anxiety levels after the 12 sessions. Another study from 2020 found that an 11-minute yoga nidra meditation for 30 days led to reduced stress levels, improved well-being, and enhanced sleep quality. These studies suggest that yoga can be a complementary approach in managing stress, depression, and anxiety. Yoga poses for stress relief. Cat-cow pose, also known as Marjaryasana to Bidhalasana, is a combination of 2 yoga poses that helps improve posture, balance, and relieve back pain. It involves a synchronized movement with breath, promoting relaxation and stress relief. To practice cat-cow pose, begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale and move into cow pose, Bidhalasana, by lifting your sit bones upward, pressing your chest forward, and relaxing your shoulders. Exhale and transition into cat pose, Marjaryasana, by rounding your spine outward, tucking in your tailbone, and releasing your head towards the floor. Repeat these movements, focusing on the breath, for stress relief and flexibility. Child's pose, also known as Balasana, is a restorative yoga pose that promotes relaxation and stress relief. It involves kneeling on the floor and gently folding the body forward, resting the forehead on the ground or a prop. Child's pose helps release tension in the back, shoulders, and hips, allowing for a sense of calm and grounding. It can be practiced anytime during a yoga session or as a standalone pose for stress relief. 3 Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Seated forward bend, or Paschimottanasana, is a yoga pose that involves sitting on the floor with legs extended and folding forward to reach the toes or beyond. This pose helps stretch the entire back of the body, including the spine, hamstrings, and calves. It promotes relaxation, relieves stress, and stimulates the nervous system. Seated forward bend can be practiced as part of a yoga sequence or as a standalone pose for stress relief and flexibility. 4 Corpse pose, Savasana. Corpse pose, or Savasana, is a restorative yoga pose that is often practiced at the end of a yoga session for relaxation and stress relief. It involves lying flat on the back, arms and legs extended, and allowing the body to completely relax. Corpse pose helps release tension, calm the mind, and promote deep relaxation. It allows for integration of the benefits gained from the yoga practice and provides a space for mental and physical rejuvenation. The importance of breathwork in yoga. 1. Pranayama techniques. Pranayama refers to the practice of breath control in yoga. It involves various techniques and exercises aimed at regulating and manipulating the breath for physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Pranayama techniques can include deep abdominal breathing, alternate nostril breathing, and more. Breathwork in yoga is essential as it helps synchronize breath with movement, calms the mind, reduces stress, increases energy levels, and enhances overall well-being. It plays a vital role in connecting the mind and body during yoga practice, fostering a deeper sense of awareness and relaxation. The mind-body connection in yoga. Yoga emphasizes the mind-body connection, recognizing the interconnectedness of physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Through the practice of yoga postures, asanas, breath control, pranayama, and meditation, individuals can cultivate a deeper awareness of their bodies, thoughts, and emotions. Yoga encourages mindful movement, focusing on the present moment, and finding balance within oneself. It promotes self-reflection, stress reduction, and an overall sense of harmony between the mind and body. The mind-body connection in yoga is a fundamental aspect that allows individuals to experience holistic well-being and self-transformation. Yoga poses such as cat-cow pose, child's pose, seated forward bend, and corpse pose can be effective for stress relief, relaxation, and promoting overall well-being. These poses help release tension, improve flexibility, and create a mind-body connection. Additionally, the practice of breathwork, known as pranayama, plays a significant role in yoga, aiding in stress reduction, increased energy, and enhanced focus. Yoga, with its focus on the mind-body connection, offers a holistic approach to managing stress and promoting a sense of calm and balance in daily life. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a fascinating science update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing discoveries. Signing off from the Science Questions, this is Arif on SCILENSE English. Thanks for watching.